Product demos are essential for software companies to effectively educate users and boost customer retention. Creating demos usually involve screen recording with voiceover. This might sound easy, but it's very challenging due to multitasking. You're recording your screen, like focusing on different actions, and at the same time, you have to narrate the whole story. Castofly provides a powerful option to separately record your screen and voiceover. Let me show you how. Here I'm recording my screen to demo one of our tools, Ziggy. I can stay completely quiet, focusing on my actions, or I can say anything to provide visual hint for myself for the next step. After I'm done recording, I end up with a long video. Now it's time to focus on the voiceover. To patch the voice, I just select a section that includes an important action. Then I go to the patch mode and record again. Hello and welcome to this demo. Today I'm going to introduce Ziggy, our new tool which is leveraging generative AI to bring any imagination to life. Castofly magically does all the editing to adjust the screen recording to the new voiceover in a blink of an eye. I will repeat the same process for the other sections to replace the old voice with a brand new one. I can still see long pauses which can be manually removed like this. Or even better, I let Castofly analyze the voice and find all the silent blocks for me. Then with a click of a button, I can remove them all. Now let's say I don't want to use my voice or my own webcam as I'm camera shy. I can leverage AI to generate voiceover. Let me show you how to do that. First, I'm gonna select an AI-based template, then copy the previous slide in it. Then I open the presenter's notes and write the narration for each section in a new note. Next, I generate video, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds to get all the results back. Finally, to add the webcam to the screen, I just need to select each section and then press Patch Webcam. I'm gonna repeat the same process for all the next sections. Now it's showtime. Let's see what we have created today. Hello and welcome to this demo. Today I'm going to introduce Ziggy, our new tool which is leveraging generative AI to bring any imagination to life. First, you need to describe the imagination at a high level, set mode, style and colors. Then press generate. It's going to take a couple of seconds to get the results back. Ziggy is interactive and it gives a description of the generated image. You can easily edit the text to generate the new version. When you're happy with the final result, you can share it across social media or download the file.
Meet our new tool, Ziggy, your imagination's best friend. You can basically dream anything and Ziggy will bring it to life in just few seconds. Describe your imagination at high level, pick mode, style, or even colors. You will get the result in no time. It's like art in seconds. Ziggy is interactive as it writes tales about the art. If you want a twist, just tweak the text for a remix. When you are ready to flaunt your masterpiece, share or download to show off your creative swagger.